Alright guys, we're out here at SEMA 2022. Here's a badass Huracan and here's that Urus. This is the Liberty Walk wide body kit. It's wrapped. It's nice. I'll do some changes on it. There's some little design things I would change, some fitment things, but honestly overall pretty sick. That front lip is not as bad as I thought. I like the vent. The roof spoiler is not as bad in person. Overall pretty sick, honestly. If you want kind of an over-the-top Urus, this is not a bad choice. But we're outside of SEMA now. The dub booth's got some pretty cool cars. It's not as packed as SEMA as I remember it 10 years ago, but nonetheless, pretty cool. Check out this BMW 8 Series. Wide body. It's wrapped, of course. Crazy fitment. The way I like it. Look at that thing. I mean, you don't see 8 Series, and then you definitely don't see 8 Series like this. One of none. Sick plate, man. Pretty cool. Crazy the cars we see and what we're geeking over here. There's two Lambos over there. That one we're actually building in the Roadster configuration. Checking out this pretty crazy Cullinan. This is the Kivani kit. Pretty drastic. It has pretty dope wheels on there. Kind of resembles the RDB wheels. But these guys are a cool company. Check out this full carbon Aventador. This is a SF90 Rift. As you can see, it has that kit we did on the black leather. This is a really nice car. It's good to see it on a color. But yeah, look at this thing, all carbon, wide body Aventador. I'm showing you guys only the stuff that I'm kind of enjoying. There's a lot of stuff at SEMA, but too much to video. This is that crazy purple wide body Cullinan we did. Honestly, my favorite car to show. Very underrated. This is a wrap. Everybody trips out over it. It's that midnight purple. It's got new wheels on it for the show right now. This is the one that had white walls. There's our buddy Peter's Porsche with the new body kit on there. As you can see the hood, we did this same hood on the green one. And this Cullinan is still, I'm telling you guys, I walked by so many cars and this thing is still the cleanest. Then we have Peter's Mclaren. I've seen this car many times. We worked on this car many times over here at SEMA. This is that pretty famous Aventador, DD's car. There's another wide body Urus there. But yeah, so far, the only thing that excites me is this purple Cullinan. I don't know if I'm biased, but look how nice this thing is. This is sick. I'm sure you've seen it online. Hyper NFT car is insane. Full carbon. So wild. Apollo. Sounds insane. This is unreal to drive around and see it anywhere. Crazy. Alright, we're out here at the Inozatec booth. This is a midnight purple wrap color, just like the Cullinan we did. But this is actually a PPF. So this car was white and now it's a midnight purple clear bra PPF. Really cool new colors from Inozatec. It's a nice blue color. This is pretty much gonna be my final booth I visit. It's kind of far away. We just took the Tesla loop to get here. But yeah, colored PPF is gonna be the next big thing.
Thank you, homeboy.
You're removing everything?
Yeah, remove all the carbon fiber pieces.
Oh, he's selling it?
Yeah, I sell it 320.
Without all the kit?
It's a good money.
They should just leave it.
Yeah, right?
Looks good.
It's beautiful. Looks handsome. Out, 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 and out. Sorry for you, baby. It looks nice.
Turn it off, you idiot. There's literally almost 10 hours of work, and he makes noise, and the last like 30 minutes of the day.
Talk about this beautiful machine here.
I don't see anything different.
What do you mean you don't see anything different?
Yeah, didn't change anything. It still looks like the same car.
It looks way better, bro.
You're just saying that because you get paid and you want more content. Okay, so you guys have seen this Range Rover in the previous video. So there was only one thing left to do, and that was a Mudflap. So it does look much better, actually, as you guys can see.
Didn't you just say it didn't make a difference? Oh, you're gonna put that there?
No. Okay, let's go. It's a wrap.
What do you mean it's a wrap? We still have lots of film. Come on.
He looks like a fisherman. Look at this.
He looks like he works at Sporting Goods. No, Big Five. You look like Adam Sandler. Yeah, Google him. He's an upcoming celebrity. He came in because he said there was a sound, but his motor's blown.
I came in for wipers and now I need a new motor.
That's not the story. The story is something happened to this van at his house, so he tried to fix it. He assumed that he knows what he's doing, and then he just did everything wrong, and now he's in his engine. The van was overheating, so he changed. What did you change?
T-bracket, plastic, that
Yeah.
for the coolant hose.
Made at Home Depot or something. So at the end of the day, you shouldn't have done it. You should have brought it here.
you
He
brought
was
it
afraid that they were gonna charge him, but they even, Vicky even told him just bring it. Well, we could do it here.
We didn't charge him anything. It's
I
fine.
get intimidated because I see all these high-end cars and then...
Well, that's a high-end van.
Hey, Holmes. This is married.
What is that?
Wife.
Oh.
And this one is money, bro. No money, but it's money over here. But look at that. I have a big cut over here. See this one over here? Drilled over here, this one. Blood is coming like a for some time, my hand over here, I don't feel it. When you cut something, you put your hands over like this, it start bleeding. But this just, no, it all wet over here. Yeah, I had the new hood for this one, the original hood. This one. Hey, I need a car. My motorcycle has to stop.
Why?
I have to stop because it started raining.
What kind of car do you want?
Maybe a Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or Scion XB.
Get an M5.
But I like the M3, you know. I had one before. One car come behind me and scratched. So I hit my butt, hit in the back, and then the differential got twisted.
Oh, damn.
So the guy was drunk.
Oh,
Yeah.
This 2022 Honda Civic Sport, literally brand new car. So somebody came and stole all four wheels and tires, and the lug nuts actually too. So they took everything, lug nuts, wheels, tires, everything complete. And they left exactly the way it is, like this, at her house. So she called us up and we made it work to get on the tow truck. So only good thing about this story is now we have some nice upgraded wheels coming for her. Her dad was nice enough to say, you know what, unfortunately this happened. So he just wants to make her a little bit happy. So we ordered her some nice wheels, some aftermarket wheels, better than the stock ones. And she's gonna have a lock this time on it as well. So we'll have a lock key with it. So it's gonna be hard to steal. And yeah, after this, we'll finish it and she'll be happy and take the car with upgraded wheels.
Hey, yo. Nice.
Hey, yo!
Got an M5 like Sarkis? Nice.
One of my best employees.
I'm not your employer, I'm your helper.
He's my employee. Thank you so much.
Bought that one?
It's leaking.
No, he bought it about a month ago.
Oh, you just paid it off. See? Sarkis approved?
Like Ferrari. How much is that?
You know how much is this?
Like 900 bucks?
Yeah, I think he paid about $750,
Yeah.
$800.
The regular price is $900. This is my Ferrari.
All right, so we have Mr. Dax Shepard's truck here. As you guys know, he's a famous actor from Chips, Without a Paddle as well, Employee of the Month, these movies you guys have probably watched. Yeah, very, very cool guy. We actually met, he just actually walked in. I was sort of expecting that kind of a character from him. He didn't even call us, he didn't even say, they just randomly just pops in. Came in and said, can you do some mechanical repairs on the truck? And of course we said yes. So he had a lot of parts in this truck. So we're actually upgrading the brake system on this car. We're putting Willwood brakes on this car, on this truck actually, sorry. Because you guys are probably gonna say it's not a car, it's a truck. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. This thing, you guys, is badass. It's not your cheap junk truck. This thing has a nice supercharged engine in it. Very, very powerful. I don't know, maybe about 1,005,000 horsepower, I'm not sure. Javier's working on this thing all day long, so we're doing a lot of stuff. We're doing lines, brake lines, etc. And yeah, after that, we're just gonna do a nice detail wash, and he's very excited to pick up the truck. Yeah, really, really cool guy.
Why is it so quiet?
It's 5, everyone left. There's only a couple of knuckleheads left at the shop. One of them's me.
You have to wear this.
What is this? Let me see.
Put it on.
It's Javier's.
Is it bike?
Every
I thought
time-
it was like for eye
Yeah,
protection.
every time he finds a glass, he thinks it's prescription glasses. They're not. It's just, yeah, it doesn't even help.
I didn't ask for the helmet. I just asked for the. Whoa. This.
If you fell with this thing, you'll probably die.
Who's a professional biker?
LeBron James?
LeBron James.
He's doing to everybody, Papa. He's a little kid. You cannot even get mad, man.
What are you doing? You fixing this carbon?
The thing is, I have to adjust the bracket for the headlight because it's different pieces. You know, it's all aftermarket pieces. When you install this one, doesn't match the lines. You know, the important lines is the bottom. So we have to play with this to make it look bad. You know, like see, we try to do this. See the line? Air go here for the brakes.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Oh, that's crazy.